Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on a PC. TikTok can be installed on a Windows PC through the Microsoft Store. And first you need to make sure your computer is connected to the internet. And after that what you need to do is you need to open the Microsoft Store. And once you open this Microsoft Store, what you need to do is in the top there's this search bar. Simply click onto this search bar and type TikTok and enter it. So over here, you need to select the official TikTok application from the search results, which is this first one. Click to open. And over here, you need to click onto this install. And that is it. To begin downloading the app, and after the installation is completed, you can open the TikTok from the start menu and sign in with your account and start watching or creating videos. And that is it. This is how you can download TikTok on a PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.